I am going to present my views on economics and introduction. Every field of study has its own language and own way of thinking. For example, mathematics talks about algebra, account deals with profit and loss, and so on. Economics is no different. Economy is a system which provides the people means to work and earn a living. Now the big question is, what is economics? Economics is a part of social science that studies how people and nation buy, sell, produce and consume in a world where there is scarcity. The main reason for study of economics can be scarcity. There are various parts of economy, as you can see, like for example, the Indian economy consists of agriculture, industry, transport, communication, banking, etc. Vital functions of economy. There are vital function or process of economy like production, consumption, investment or capital formation. Why study economics? The main reason can be for study of economics can be scarcity, because resources are limited but human wants are unlimited. Scarcity. Now, the big question is, what is scarcity? Scarcity refers to limitation of supply in relation to demand of the commodity. Economizing of resources refers to making optimum uses of resources. Scarcity is universal. Every individual, organization, and economy faces scarcity of resources. Resources. Now, what is resources? Resources are scarce. Resources are scarce and they have alternative uses. Economizing of resources. Um, Scarcity of resources that calls for economizing of resources. Economizing of resources refers to making optimum use of the available resources. Economic problem. Human wants are unlimited. They can never be fully satisfied. But means to satisfy are limited. It is a problem of choice involving satisfaction on unlimited wants out of limited resources. Out of limited resources, wants out of limited resources having alternative uses. Like you can see this picture, unlimited wants and limited resources. Now, what are the reasons for economic problem? The three main reasons for economic problem are: first one is scarcity of resources. Resources are limited. Resources like land, labor, and capital are limited in relation to demand and economy. Cannot produce what all people want. Sca- um, Scarcity of resources is universal and applies to all individual organizations and country. Now, the second main reason is unlimited human wants. Human wants are unlimited and they can never be fully satisfied. They also differ in priorities. If as soon as one want is satisfied, another new want emerges. Now, the third reason is alternative uses. Alternative uses. Resources have alternative uses. They are scarce, but they have alternative. For example, petrol. Petrol has many uses except vehicles. Petrol is also used in machines, railway engine, aeroplanes, and generators. Now, what is economics? Um, Economics is all about making choices in the presence of scarcity, And economics is a social science which studies the way of society choose to use its uh, limited resources which have alternative uses to produce goods and services and to distribute them among different group of people. Now micro and macroeconomics. Microeconomics and macroeconomics. Now this is a table, and now we will differentiate between microeconomics and macroeconomics. Macroeconomics. Microeconomics. Positive and normative economics. Positive economics studies the facts of life, and normative economics tell us what ought to be. It deals with what ought to be or how the economic problem should be solved. Central problems of economy: production, distribution, and dip disposition of goods and services are the basic economic activity of life. Central problems. The main central problems of economic are what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. These are the main questions of the central problems of economy. Thank you and have a nice day. By Keshav Mittal. Thank you.